No, no, what you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. Okay, so now we're gonna do the LED lights. He's gonna do it because I really don't know what to do, so. Oh, okay, I'm gonna show you, while he's opening that, I'm gonna show you the mirror thingy first. So, it's just mirror. Okay, it's this mirror thing.
Where did this phone come from?
Wait. You could literally take the whole thing. Oh. I thought it was just a cover. Okay, I don't know.
Or.
I feel like that's too big. What do you think?
I mean, I know they can hear me though. My voice is real like camera shy.
Okay. I don't know why he's whispering. I think he's never been on a camera before, but.
Don't do that. Don't do this.
Okay, it comes with these are zip ties, right?
Yeah.
It's probably like what to make it stick in place.
Because it sticks.
And I got 2 packs just in case, like, because I don't know what's gonna be enough. Okay, he's gonna figure it out and then we'll be back. Okay, on the instructions it tells us like where to put it.
You know what I'm saying? This.
Okay, but we're gonna plug it up into the cigarette lighter. Go ahead and plug it up.
Wait. So there was no purpose of you having 2 in all honesty.
I wasn't sure, like, and I wanted it to be in the back too, though. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do.
I think there's 4. Yeah. It's split. Hold on. Let me make sure I get it right side. I didn't do this.
I think we got it though, basically.
Sure.
I need a little snack. I feel like these are kid brownies.
Hopefully they can't see my video. Wow, you're gay.
Okay, the brownie was kind of good. In an emergency, dire need type of way.
Is it coming through?
What do you mean?
Do you see the light?
Yeah.
By my feet?
Yeah.
Look, like right here?
Yeah.
Wait.
Are you throwing around my computer back there?
No, your bag is right here. I wish you had a bigger backseat.
For what reason? You stole it.
I told you your car was a thief.
Well, you supposedly cleaned it out, so it's your fault.
The blood is rushing to my head.
No, it's not.
Yes,
You
it
just
is.
got down there.
Exactly. It rushes very fast.
Excuse me, girl. Move.
Come on. Chop, chop. 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 Ooh, is it recording?
Yeah.
You bricks.
How? I thought you had your hat on. Okay, can I move the seat back a little bit?
No, you don't need to. I gotta get up there. You like me? So let me get them. I don't mind my bitch mad socks, you feel me?
You should have told me to move the seat back.
Nah, cause I'm gonna see you. Feel me? Oh, my leg look real good.
No. only because I didn't want to waste it.
No, you
Ew!
What? Wait. Your feet? You talking about your feet? What?
Don't wear your shoes.
You say so.
Are you working hard or hardly working?
Fuck you. Stop.
Okay, guys, so we're done with the LEDs. I did like majority of the work.
You. Man,
okay,
stop front for them people.
You only need one. Where's I don't know. Maybe I can give this to my mom or something. I don't know.
Oh.
Anyway, so get up here.
Oh, you driving?
No, I'm not. My stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts too, and my legs. I got amnesia in my legs.
What?
Wait, damn, you right. That don't even make sense.
Okay, I'm gonna give you guys an overview of the LEDs when we start driving.
Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, like this YouTuber not for me, guys. I ain't gonna hold you.
So I'm the cameraman, boy?
Hell yeah.
Nasty ass elbows. Talking about this dirty ass vehicle.
Yeah, we really get in here.
Nah, your elbows is mad ashy though.
Nigga, my whole body ass. What you talking about? Why my shit look pink?
What the?
I could really be a content creator. To the other side we go. It's dark in here, man.
They ain't got no camera like it. Clean up and swerve.
Hey, back up, back up.
Oh. Nah, he getting it up in there, boy.
Oh,
What?
I'll stop the recording.
Okay, I'm looking really bad right now, but just ignore that. So I'm gonna show you a few things that I got for my car. Like, I cannot get this on. Like, what the heck? Then so I got these cup holders. Okay, I'm gonna clean this and then put it back down. Okay guys, and then I lastly got, if you didn't know, I always like eat in my car and I like to sit in my car for a long time. I just feel so much better doing that. So someone did send me something to help me out with that, and it's a car tray basically. You can use it not just for eating, but Me personally, I'm gonna use it for eating. This is my favorite spray, by the way, for my car once it's clean and everything. Okay, so here's this small little tray. So I'm thinking you just like push these hooks in. Do you push them?
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
You gonna get it off?
I don't even know if I like it.
I don't like the way it hugs the steering wheel. It's too loose. The steering wheel, how you want it to.
Turn the wheel. Does it move?
Yeah, it actually has way more grip.
Okay.
I like that. Cause with yeah, this is actually a lot better.
Has your hand slipped before?
Yeah. That's yours? That's all
I
I said.
almost
It's a
went off
lot
the road.
better. At the end of the video. Check it out. Use all specification on top too. It's all good. Can I still let you go?
Me?
No, what you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry.